Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to add animated captions in CapCut. To do this, here are a few easy steps to follow. The first thing we want to do is to add captions. We're going to go over to the top right area where we have some options and we will find captions. We're going to click on it. After clicking on the captions, you will have some options on the side. The first thing we want to do is to add captions using the auto captions option on CapCut. Once you select your language, you're going to come down here to generate. Click on it and wait for a few moments for it to generate. Great. And now we have our captions generated by CapCut. We will need to add some animations to them. In order to do this, you need to select all the captions by clicking on an empty space around that area and dragging over it. As you can see, all the captions are selected. When they are selected, you can look at the right area of your screen. It will take you to template automatically. If not, you can go over to text and then select templates. And now with everything selected, you can choose any of the captions available here. And then we're going to choose on this one. We're going to click on it. Hello guys, in this tutorial. Very good. So we can see that our text is now animated. We're just going to have to look at the text size by going over to basic, reducing it to 5, and then we're going to play it again. Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to cancel MailChimp subscription using these easy steps. Of course, you want to make sure that all the text is correct because sometimes you might have some incorrect spelling on CapCut's auto captioning generating system. But after you've done all the checks and you've selected the template, you can move the playhead for a preview to account and billing. Now you will have some options here. You need to go over to settings. Of course, you could go over to the video preview area and click on the expand button. This will take you to full screen, and then when we press the spacebar button, it's also a drop down and you're going to go down to manage my plan. So we can see that the captions are now animated. There are other options you could apply to this by checking the preset style, but for now we're going to leave it as this because we now have our animated captions. And this is how to add animated captions in CapCut. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.